One respawn?
One respawn. Yeah. So my only. For you, katana only.
Yeah, katana only.
There's been a bomb over here. Holy shit. IED! That looks kind of familiar, Billy. Bomb? Billy, it looks like you're in batteries. No, it looks like force on force again?
Yeah, force on force, one respawn.
Someone made 4 feet.
Oh no, don't tell me that. Okay, I got point 12.
I can get the white one thing we're done.
Shoot down here real quick, shoot that sign, see how you like it. He might bitch about shooting before the game, but it's quiet enough.
Jesus Christ, he's got more fucking ammo than all of us put together.
The difference is if you can hold on that.
It's semi-auto only.
It doesn't drop.
What's up? You're not recording me, are you?
Yeah.
You got a semi-auto?
Yeah, it's semi.
I'll blur you out. You got auto? Thank you.
Yeah, we only play semi.
Pass the word. They record me, blur
We
me
usually
out.
only play semi here unless they
Alright.
say otherwise.
Are we all going this way?
Come with me, I'll show you a couple things. Woo! Fuck.
Got one. Oh.
I don't like how they got this set up now, dude. This needs to be moved over. One respawn. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, I'm getting out of your spawn, I'm getting out of your spawn. I got 3 in the house already. I ran right up in there and got 3 of them. Yeah, I went like this, but we have no tape anyway. They already respawned, dude. Okay. Fucking tree in the way. Got 2 more. I got them once already, so they're out. Hey, they're out. If you already respawned once, go ahead and walk off. You already got two lives, right? It's friendly?
Game over!
Game! My bad.
I thought you were gonna come this way because they told me there was somebody in the house. I was there pinned down waiting for you to come.
Whew. Dude, I ran up to the backside, I got right up into the house, dude. Just bop, 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 bop.
There's a fort.